Hello guys, that's Flyer345 here today. Today I'm going to be unboxing this wonderful model, the NG Models JetBlue A320-200 Dunkin' Donuts. I just received this last night, and while I'm unboxing the plane, I will be eating, actually, some Dunkin' Donuts at the same time. So I know this sounds crazy, but just call me crazy. So what's the difference? But yeah, let's get started. And before I get the plane out of the box, I just want to mention that I did unbox another JetBlue. It was the JetBlue A320-200 in the striped sail, made by Gemini Jets. I did mention that I did pre-order another JetBlue Dunkin' Donuts made by JC Wings, but I mentioned that I haven't received it, and JC Wings is mostly molasses. But I'm going to go to time-lapse right now, and yeah, let's get this party started. The time-lapse went a little bit quicker than I thought it would go, but Hakuna Matata means no worries. So I'm sure you saw me eating a donut, so one more bite. Please hold. Okay, let's get back to the aircraft. I actually already opened this morning, to check if it was intact. So let's get this plane out. I didn't actually open the whole thing, but let's see what it looks like. Ooh. Nice. Oh, this is nice. Now this is where I need my JetBlue collection. Oh, this is nice. My Dunkin' Donuts JetBlue. Says Dunkin' on the bottom. Also says JetBlue. Hold on, let me put this on the box. I didn't mention the Dunkin' Donut box, but this JetBlue is part of Dunkin', so yeah. The registration is November 643 Juliet Bravo, and that is pretty cool. The name of it is, I can't really tell, but I'll try to look it up. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. All I have to say now is that I have a few shoutouts. The first shout out goes over to a friend of mine. His name is AJ Brown. Please check him out. Please check him out on YouTube. He needs a lot of subscribers. And second person goes over to Plain X. He was the person that inspired me to get the Air New Zealand 737 and the JetBlue 737, my bad. Last person goes over to NASCAR Aviation Dude, my best friend. But that is pretty much it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll put up a few more pictures, and I hope you have a wonderful Christmas. And my next video, I don't know what it's going to be, but my guess probably around New Year's. And speaking of New Year's, CM Aviation is having a giveaway of 8 models, so go check him out there as well. If you would like to be part of the giveaway. But that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope I can get a lot of views on this very fast. And please check out my other few videos, especially the striped JetBlue one. But that's it. Enjoy.